Welcome back to my show. Today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna make some caramel apples. I personally don't like apples, but I'm gonna make this for my family because they do. So you guys can make it with me at home from scratch. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss another show just like this one. So now, let's get cooking. So first you have to get a medium pan, and then you're going to turn on your stove to medium heat. And then we're going to put all of our ingredients in. All of these ingredients are super simple and you can get them at the grocery store. So the first thing that you will need is 1 cup of butter. And then you'll need 2 cups of packed sugar, brown sugar, packed brown sugar. The next thing that you'll need is 1 cup of light corn syrup. Make sure it's the light one, not the dark. Then you're going to get the 14 ounce of condensed milk. So technically 1 bottle or 1 can. Get the whole thing in. Don't leave anything out or your caramel won't be good. Then the last thing that you'll need, the simplest thing, is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now we're going to be slowly mixing this mixture for 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure you mix it thoroughly and as slow as you can so the butter melts and everything mixes together. And while you're at it, make sure to keep on stirring so the caramel does not burn. Okay, just keep stirring until everything is thoroughly melted and comes to a boil. Now it has a really thick consistency and it is super hot and boiled. You're going to turn off your stove and then just wait for it to cool down. So now that your caramel is cooled for a few minutes and it is super creamy and looks delicious, you're going to grab some of your apples, or one of your apples, and then kind of like twirl it in there. I've never done this before, so it's a little challenging. And then now we're going to dip it in the almond, which I have in this bowl right here. Can put more in here because these are not very mashed up. That's what I get. So we're going to just put that one on the tray and let it cool. For the final one, we're going to do some mini marshmallows. So again, we're just going to do the same thing, dip it, get off the excess, and then we have our mini marshmallows in here already. So I don't know if this is going to work, so we're just going to try it. Ooh, this looks good. Going to going to try to thoroughly dip that end in. This one actually looks pretty good. So for the last one, for marshmallows, this one looks good. And these are all of our caramel apples. You made them with me. I hope you had a fun time. And we're just gonna wait for them to cool down a little bit, maybe put them in our fridge, and then they're ready to eat. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss another video just like this one. And bye!